Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray with Murr-made Designs, where I'm showing you 365 days of sewing makes. I don't think this has ever been done before, and I actually know why. It's hard, really hard. But thank you for sticking with me. We're at day 19, we're chugging through. And today I want to show you this outfit. It is Kwik Sew 4262. It has a dress or a pair of tops, a top and crop pants, and they have V-necks. Show you the line drawings. You can make the sleeve with a ruffle on it, or just like bell sleeves. And I made both the top and the pants. And I want to show you first the pants. They're very simple. And of course I had trouble because that's how I roll. I just made them out of white quilting cotton. And I seem to have some sort of problem when the fabric is the same on the inside as it is on the outside. And I put one of the back darts in the on the inside instead of the outside. So the leg inside out, had to take the whole thing apart. But I eventually got it right. It has a very high waistline. It had no pockets, but I added these just cargo pockets that are pleated, and I think they just really finish it off, and they're exactly the right size for my phone. And then this top, I'm going to untuck it and show it to you because I think it's very beautiful. I'm very pleased with this top. It is made out of chiffon. I got this chiffon at a fabric store in Abbotsford, BC. I'm sorry, I can't remember the name of it. It has all just beautiful imported fabrics. And I got this out of course, the bargain bin, and I paid $1 for it. So this top, which I think is absolutely beautiful, cost me $1. It has, it's chiffon with, it has like embroidered, they kind of look like tulips. And then the edges are also embroidered. And because it's chiffon and it's very thin, I doubled the front and the back and made it kind of 2 levels. So I just kind of lined it. And I think it turned out super well. It was actually super easy to make really fast because I didn't even have to finish the edges. Just I finished the inside and the outside layer separately so that there's some movement there. I have made this pattern before, and it is actually the only thing I've ever made that was not even wearable and not even fixable. Because the V-neck is, well, on me, I've already talked about how, you know, everything's lower because I'm pretty short. So this was like very low, and it is pleated. I don't know if you can see that. It is kind of gathered right at the edge of the V, and then it has a band on it. And, you know, it's very, like, I couldn't even actually fix the pattern. So actually what I did in making this version of it is I took the back and just folded over a V at the level that I thought would work, and like cut 2 backs, one with a V in it, because I couldn't make the front work. So I would not recommend this pattern, but I really like my $1 top. I love it. And my quilting cotton, white quilting cotton, which I think cost me $10 a meter, which I put pockets in. So this is my $11 outfit, and I love it. And I know you're not supposed to wear white after Labor Day, but I made it on Labor Day, so I hope that's okay. So today, my grateful thread is I am very grateful for the interaction of this YouTube channel, that you message me and comment, and I feel like we're all in this together. And it felt like for a long time that I've been sitting alone, sewing alone, but now I am very happy and grateful to share this journey with you. So tell me below in the comments what you're feeling grateful for today, and I hope you're sewing, because sewing is so much fun.